There's a lot of in this chicken coop, so we got to put our masks on.
Yes.
Yeah, if these masks can stop, they can definitely stop chicken dust, right?
No.
No.
They're not going to stop it.
can't
But
stop COVID.
I won't have to breathe it.
Anyway.
They will stop the chicken coop, but they...
Welcome back to the channel, guys. I'm Mike.
I'm Tanya.
Braxton.
Yeah, with Fowler Family
Let's do that
Farm.
again. Let's do that.
Welcome back to the channel, guys. I'm Mike.
I'm Tanya.
I'm Braxton.
With Fowler Family Farm. We're going to be cleaning out our chicken coop today. We've lost way too many chickens.
Now we gotta jail them.
We lost way too many chickens by keeping them free range. We keep them in the barn. They go to sleep in the barn, and then they just free range everywhere. So we're going to go ahead and pin them up in the chicken run and the chicken coop, at least for a while, till this little predator leaves, doesn't come back. So they're not going to get taken in there. It's like Fort Knox. It's impenetrable. So
I want to know what's back there doing it all.
well, I got a game camera.
We got a game camera set up today, so.
Yep. All right, let's start cleaning. We've already started a little bit.
I'll see you.
What they're doing is taking the old bedding out, putting it in this wheelbarrow, and we're gonna go put it in our compost pile. And this bedding is probably a year old.
Yep. Yeah. Will you go get the flakes?
Yeah.
And a weed eater.
Yeah, and the weed eater.
See that little twirl I did? It's pretty impressive, I know. Huh? What? I did a little twirl. Like that.
Do all this. We'll put screws in here and groove it out.
All that flooring that Dad put in here.
All the what?
All the flooring Dad put in here is just coming up.
Here, bring that to the other section so it doesn't keep falling.
What?
Yeah, right there. There you go.
Me and Mom switched off. I'm gonna take my mask off. Can't breathe, mask's on. Whoa!
Out of gas. Said I'm out of gas.
Oh, figures.
Oh, it never goes smoothly. And you guys can probably attest to that if you have a farm. It doesn't matter what you do. It never goes smoothly.
Let me pull this one over there.
Yeah. And then I'm done. I wouldn't need any more of that.
Dad is taking this wheelbarrow full of chicken poop and wood chips down to the compost pile to be composted to get some mulch. And now, what are we doing, Mom?
I'm just getting this open. Putting new fresh chips in there.
Yep. Ooh, she looks vicious with that. I want to cross her. It's a bad day.
What? What?
You need this wheelbarrow back.
No?
Yeah, that's her
That's her
version of the
knife.
knife. Yeah, that's her version of the knife. Pretty much. And now, we are opening up this bag of wood chips.
Best thing to do is just undo it at the seam
And just drop it in.
and drop it in there.
Not the most sanitary thing to be doing right now.
It's okay.
Do what?
Nothing.
Sure.
Oh.
So this is called deep litter. So we will just put this down, and once a month we'll come out here and check it and put more down. We won't clean it out but once a year. And I usually like to put this little piece of wood right here.
That was the wrong way. Sorry. Disgusting. This is why I would not be a good farm person. That's just too
You
bad.
grew up on a farm, it's not that big of a deal. When you came from the city,
Which I did.
which you did, it's kind of weird.
Not kinda. I feel like it's always weird.
Alright,
No matter what you do, I think it's just weird. It's not weird, it's just gross and unsanitary.
good though, it's cool.
She called chicken poop good.
It is good.
She called the chicken poop good. Have anything to say about that?
Well, makes good chicken meat.
They have a reason for everything.
This is a little too thick, but it's okay, it'll work.
Okay, this is kind of cool.
They'll scratch it around.
Yeah, they will.
They'll do whatever they feel like doing with it.
There was enough for the egg boxes
good.
too.
Looks good. Now I'm gonna come over here, close this up.
Looks like the
Hinge broke off of that.
hinge got messed up.
Oh, beautiful.
Any of that in the nest?
All done?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Got it.
Excuse me.
All right,
All right, here, Brett.
and that's about it. I think, are we gonna add pine needle to it?
No.
Okay.
We are to the run. All right, so we got all that finished. Now we're going to use that four-wheelbarrow thing, and we're gonna put pine needles inside the run in here, because right now it's nothing but dirt. So we're gonna take all those pine needles over there from the goat fence that you saw in the video yesterday, and we're gonna put them all in here. What are you doing?
I'm gonna weed eat around it.
All right.
You want to go around and show them? Because we have not shown this chicken coop in over a year.
Okay. So first thing I want to show y'all is this zipper spider that just about got in my hair just now.
Hey, Dad.
Yeah.
Do we need to leave
It's a good zipper spider.
or to get there by 5?
Where?
The church. I have no idea. Because I'm pretty sure my church starts at 5.
Well,
Ask
it's
somebody.
15
Mom.
minutes still.
Mom,
What?
when does your church start?
Mine starts at 6.
I mean,
So that's when you're going to be there.
Maybe just have to be there late.
Yeah.
It's just 15 to 5 right now.
This is the hoop house that Mike and I put together We use 3 cow panels,
4 foot by 16 feet.
4 foot by 16 feet, and then we wrapped it in chicken wire all the way around, even down at the bottom. See if you can see that. And then we just make sure there's not anything trying to dig holes or anything around the bottom of the chicken wire, all the way around. He's going to take these down here pretty quick with the weed eater. That's broke.
Oh, it is broke. Wow.
So
My hand's broke.
Mike did a really good job on this.
Except for that broken
There's
hand.
the windows. Well, I think I might have hit that with the tractor. And we got a little door here.
The actual chicken coop itself is a 4x8 chicken coop.
That's the heating wire in case we need heat. That was an old waterer that we don't really use anymore.
Yeah, we don't use it.
There's another window.
Here, show me the window. It's got wire mesh.
Yeah,
So we can get in there. Oh, okay.
And there's a zipper spider again. And this is the door going into it. So this is where we feed and water. So
Yeah,
it's a good little.
they can get under the coop if they want to get in shade or get out of the rain, which typically they don't care about rain.
Right under
They
there.
got plenty of space in here really to mess around.
Yeah, there's only 5 of them now, so
Yeah.
it'll be all right. At least until we can get the whatever it is getting them go away.
We built this about 4 years ago, and one of our first, like maybe 5th or 6th video was us talking about this chicken coop and chicken run. We didn't actually video it when we built it. I did take pictures. So that original video, I'm gonna link it right up here. That original video talks about this coop and shows pictures of me building it in the process. And we actually built it at a totally different house. We transported it here when we moved here. And the only drawback is this was probably one of the best spots to put it. But at the other house, downhill, the slope was a different direction. So the doors was built for that house, for that land. Now it's backwards, so, but we deal with it. It's not too bad.
That's fine. That's good. All right.
And it shuts.
Sort of.
Yeah, I gotta, that's what I'm talking about. We gotta continuously clean this out now because it all runs down this way. And at the other house, it all ran that way. So it never had built up.
So those leaves you have to kind of
Yeah,
get out.
we gotta
from-
keep cleaning
out
that
of there.
out to get this shut. What I need to do is take this door off, mount it to the outside of this so it opens this way.
Oh, yeah.
But anyway, you lock it here. And then you lock it at the bottom, but you're not gonna lock it yet until I move that debris.
What do you think, Bella?
All right, guys, that's gonna wrap up another video. That was just a quick video of us cleaning out the chicken coop, getting it ready for our chickens. We've had enough of losing our chickens, so the predator won for a little bit, but now we're gonna win by taking them back.
Beat them up.
For a
Yeah.
little bit.
The
For a little
chickens.
bit. Hopefully we can figure out what that predator is that's getting it. I know it's kind of dark. I can see in the viewfinder. Hopefully you guys can see us good enough.
Looks
Yep.
good from here.
But anyway, that's going to wrap up another video. I'm going to go ahead and weed eat off camera, get it all kind of cleaned up a little bit, and then I will bring the chickens over and entice them with some food and bring them in here.
Yep.
So we will see you guys on the next video. Remember, if you're new to the channel, go down and hit that subscribe button, and make sure you guys hit the like button and leave us a comment. We love the
that.
comments. All right, you guys got anything else?
Nope.
Nope.
Bye.
All right,
See
we're,
y'all.
going,
God bless.
we're leaving
Oh.
right after this video. We're leaving
Off we
to go
go.
on vacation. Actually, they're going to church first, and then we're leaving.
I'm staying here.
She's
Yeah.
gonna look over the farm with us.
Grandma's going to watch the dogs for us, and
It's gonna make sure everything lives and does not die. So,
hopefully.
She's gonna try.
well, she'll try.
Yeah.
Yep.
She's gonna hold down the porch. That's really
Yeah,
what I
that-
want you to do.
That's
There
really
you
what
go.
she will do.
Yeah.
She'll hold the porch down.
I would rather you do that. I don't want you to get out here and get too hot like you did today and nobody's here.
All right, we're rambling. We'll see you guys on the next video.
Bye.
That was
God
good
bless.
today. I just had
Love you. Bye, guys.
Bye.
Let's go on vacay.